So students, in this video we will talk about the range of numbers for a 4-bit machine and then for a n-bit machine. Okay, so as we have already discussed about how the unsigned decimals work in a 4-bit machine, and the number began from binary to decimal. From 0 it increased in one incremental process and it stopped at 15 where all the bits are high, logical 1. So we can see the lowest possible positive number in an unsigned mode is 0, and it goes incrementing and it ends at the upper boundary, that is 15. And we know that this is 16 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 4 minus 1 for a 4-bit machine. So we can say that for a n-bit machine, in an unsigned mode, the range of number should go from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, for 8-bit machine, it will go from 0 to 2 to the power 8 minus 1. For a 32-bit machine, it will go from 0 to 2 to the power 32 minus 1, and like that. Now, when the same machine is working in signed mode, signed decimal mode, how will the number range go? For the positive zone, for the first half of the table where the bit 3 is 0, they will increment just like in unsigned mode. So from 0 to 7 for a 4-bit machine. So we can say this is from 0 to 2 to the power 3 minus 1. That is 8 minus 1 is 7. Then for the rest of the number range, binary patterns where the sign bit is all 1, we can see the number begins from negative 1 and it ends at negative 8. And if we interpret this as power of 2, we can say that this begins from negative 1 and the highest negative goes up to negative 2 to the power 3 for a 4-bit machine. So we can interpret this range for an n-bit machine. In signed mode, the range should go from, in the highest negative number is negative 2 to the power n minus 1, negative 2 to the power n minus 1, up to highest positive, that is for n-bit machine it should go for 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So this is how it goes for an n-bit machine in unsigned mode and signed mode. Thank you.